Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to voice typing in Microsoft Word. This is better for them who have not fast typing speed. Because you need only speak. And Word will convert it to text automatically. Let's start. Open Internet browser. And click on Apps. Click on Google Drive. Now click on New. And now click on Google Docs. Click on Tools. Click on Voice Typing. Select your language. And click to speak. You can see our speak is converted into text. Hope so this video is also useful for you. Like this video and share it with others. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you.